my dear students. This is plus 2 accounts class. We have started the chapter last week, resolution of partnership form. 4 video lecture we have attended. Today, that 5th video lecture of this chapter. Today we will do illustration of the 4 complete performer that we have made at the time of dissolution. In previous lecture I have told you that performer of these accounts. Now today we will do one question related to this performer. So open your book. DK Coil book is there. 13 illustration. ABC are 3 partner. Profit sharing ratio 3:1:1. On 31st March 2016 they decide to dissolve their firm. Balance sheet is given to you in the question. Then this is 13th illustration. So first of all, we will empty the balance sheet by transferring all the balances that is given to you in the balance sheet by transferring in their respective accounts. Okay. Then first is in asset side, bank balance is given to you. So we will make the bank account. If balance of cash is given, then cash account. If bank is, then bank balance. Then first of all, we will write the balance of bank. In debit side, balance brought down because bank has debit balance. It's 52,000. If bank overdraft is given to you, in place of bank balance, bank overdraft is given to you, then it's a short-term liability. Then you will transfer the bank overdraft in the realization account and make payment of the bank overdraft. You will not transfer the bank overdraft in the credit side of bank account by balance brought down. No. We will write the bank overdraft in the realization account and make payment of that. Okay. Then we will make cash account in place of bank account. In this question, cash account is also given. 10,000 cash account is also given. Then we will transfer the cash balance here. You can make the cash account and then you will write the balance brought down of cash and write here to bank as your wish. Okay. If you are making the bank account, then making payment or receiving money we will write the bank account. If we are making the cash account, then in all accounts we will use the cash account for making payment or receiving cash. Okay. Now we have opened the bank account. So bank balance we will write as a balance bidding and cash balance we will write to cash account. It means we will deposit that cash into bank. How much cash balance is given to you? 10,000. Fine. Now next, debtors. Debtors will be transferred to the realization account. 2 debtors. It's given at 2,42,000. Provision we will transfer in the credit side by provision for doubtful debt. You can write the short form. How much it's 12,000. Fine. Now next is stock in trade. That we will transfer all the assets will be transferred in the debit side of realization account. Amount of stock is 78,000. Fine. Next term is furniture 10,000. That we will also transfer here to furniture 10,000. Fine. Now next is sundry assets. That we will also say it is at 1,70,000. Okay. Now we will see the in liability side. Creditors we will transfer the in the credit side of realization account by creditors 60,000. Loan. This is not mentioned that which loan. Partner loan or any outsider loan. If nothing is mentioned, then we will treat it as an outsider loan and transfer to the realization account. We will not make the separate account of partner loan account. Fine. Loan account. It's 15,000. Now workman compensation reserve. I have told you that before transferring the workman compensation reserve into realization account, you will see that how much liability is there related to workman compensation. See, it's given in the question capital account that we will transfer after reading the information that given to you. Capital account balance we will write in the credit side of capital account by balance brought down amount of A 2,75,000, B 1 lakh and C 70,000. Fine. Now we will read the information that is given to you regarding dissolution. A is takeover furniture at 8,000. Now we will sell the assets or mutual partner, that we will write in the credit side. A is taking the furniture, then what we will write here? By A's capital account. In bracket we will write furniture takeover. A is taken the furniture at the amount of rupees 8,000. We will write here 8,000. Okay. Then we will take money from A. In realization account, credit side we have written A's capital account. Then A's capital account debit side we will write to realization account 8,000. In bracket furniture takeover. Second, debtors and furniture के साथ साथ उसने debtors लिए. Debtors amounting to rupees 2 lakh at 1,82,000. At which amount A has taken the debtors, that amount we will write. Okay. Again we will write. You can write collectively also. इकट्ठा भी लिख सकते हैं इसको हम. In bracket write debtors 1,82,000. And here also to realization account 1,82,000. In bracket you will write debtors. Fine. The creditors of 60,000 to be paid by him at this figure. He has paid the amount to rupees 60,000 to the creditor also. That liability takeover we will write here to A's capital account 60,000. Creditor takeover. In realization account debit side we have written A's capital account. Then A's capital account credit side we will write by realization account. In bracket we will write creditors. How much? 60,000. Fine. Now next, second is B is to take over all the stock in trade at 70,000. B has taken stock. Then we will write here by B's capital account. In bracket we will write stock. How much? 70,000. 70,000 stock लिया है B ने. That we will write in realization credit side we have written. Then B's capital debit side we will write to realization account stock. In B column we will write 70,000. Okay. And some of the sundry assets at 72,000. कुछ उसने assets भी ली हैं. कितने में ली हैं? At that amount we will write 72,000 by B's capital account assets. Sundry assets you can write. And to realization account sundry assets. In B column we will write 72,000. He has not taken all the assets. Some assets he has taken at rupees 72,000. Some sundry assets are remaining till now. That how much assets are remaining, that we will find out by information that is given to you in bracket of 72,000 being 10% less than the book value. Book value say 10% less पे लिए उसने ये assets. Then this value 72,000 value is the 90% of the original value of that assets. So this is the 90%. Then what will be the original value of the assets? 80,000. So B has taken assets of rupees 80,000 and rupees 72,000. Okay. Now total sundry assets we have 1,70,000. Then how much assets are remaining with us? 90,000 assets are remaining with us. Okay. That we will use in next point. C is to take over the remaining sundry assets at 90% of the book value. That remaining sundry assets are 90,000. That C is taking at 90%. 90% of 90,000 is 81,000. But C is taking at 1,000 discount. It means at 80,000 C is taking the remaining sundry assets. Got it? That we will write in the debit side of C's capital account sundry assets. In C column we will write 80,000. Okay? And assume the responsibility for the discharge of loan together with the accrued interest of 3,000 which has not been recorded in the books. Sometimes any unrecorded assets or unrecorded liability is there. Unrecorded means that is not mentioned in the balance sheet. If we are closing the business, then we have to pay that liability. That we will write here to bank account. If any unrecorded assets is there, that we will say, that we will write here by bank account. Okay? So in this question, there is unrecorded interest on loan that will be paid by the C with the loan. Then we will write here to C's capital account loan plus interest. Loan of 15,000 and interest of 300. Then 15,300 we will write. And we will write this in the capital account also. In realization account debit side we have written. Then partners capital account credit side we will write. By realization account loan plus interest. In C column 15,300. Okay. Now next is the expense of dissolution were 2,700. The remaining debtors were sold to a debt collection agency. That is next point. That expense of dissolution, nothing is mentioned about that. Who is paying? It means firm will pay. Then to bank account we will write, in bracket we will write expense. That amount is 2,700. Okay. And remaining debtors were sold to a debt collection. Remaining debtors. Now total debtors were 2,42,000. And A has taken the debtors of rupees 2 lakh. 2 lakh के उसने 182 में दिए थे ना. So 2 lakh out of 242,000, 2 lakh debtors taken by A. Remaining debtors are 42,000. That we have given to the debt collection agency जिसका काम होता है कि वो debtors से money collect करते हैं. For the 50% of the book value. For the 42,000 they pay us 50%. It means 21,000 they will pay us. So by bank account. Okay. If we are writing here bank account na, then we can write in the debit side of bank account also. साथ साथ ये भी बनाते जाओ. To realization account debtors 21,000. Here also we have written to bank account 22,700. By realization account in bracket you will write expense. साथ साथ ये भी complete हो जाएगा आपका. 40,000 had to be paid for the workman. Now this is information that we are paying 40,000 workman compensation reserve. But reserve we are having 30,000. Then full reserve we will transfer here. यहाँ लिख दो. By workman compensation reserve 30,000. But we are making payment of rupees 40,000 to bank account in bracket workman compensation claim. We are making payment. Then we will write in the credit side of bank account by realization account workman compensation claim 40,000. 15,000, 3,35,000, and total of this 1 lakh. Its total is more than. Its total is 190 and 2,30,800. Okay. Difference find out karo. This total is less, so we will write here to bank account. In A's column, debit side total is less, so we will write here to bank account. Difference of both sides, that will come 1,04,200. 3,35,000. A का close हो गया. Okay. Now we will find out the B. B total of this side is more than that side, so we will write here by bank account. You can write here that is this is final payment and this is, जिसको हम बोलते हैं डेफिशिएंट, कमी जो होती है ब्रॉट बाय पार्टनर. The difference of this, it will come total of this side 1,55,600 and here total 1 lakh. Difference is 55,600. Close this also by writing the total and put 2 lines. Then difference of this also will come in credit side. Its total is 93,600 minus 85,300. It will come 8,300. Okay. Now it has closed. Now we will write that we have written bank account here. That we will transfer in the capital account. Realization account की जो भी payment थी that have written here. साथ के साथ लिख लो so that you will not forget to write. Okay. In partners capital account debit side we have written bank account. Then we will write credit side of bank account by A's capital account 1,04,200. Here we have written credit side, so we will write in the debit side to B's capital account and to C's capital account. Amount is 55,600 and 8,300. Then after that, to total of both sides, it should be equal. If there is difference between the total of both sides, it means any mistake is there. Okay. So total of this, it will come 1,46,900 and 3 items are here 1,46,900. Okay. So this is the full question that how we will solve the question at the time of resolution by making the 3 accounts. Okay. So yes student, in this question that workman compensation reserve is given to you 30,000 and claim is 40,000. So we have transferred all the amount of reserve in realization account. इसी क्वेश्चन में आपको मैं बताना चाहूंगी कि if workman compensation reserve is 50,000 and claim is 40,000, then what you will do? You will transfer the reserve here 40,000, not more than liability. We will transfer here 40,000 and make payment 40,000. That remaining 10,000 workman compensation reserve we will distribute to the partner by writing in the credit side of partner's capital account by workman compensation reserve in their profit sharing ratio. Okay. So this is all about the resolution of the partnership form full-fledged question. Now there is, according to the blueprint previous year, now 4 mark question is there from the resolution of chapter. So in 4 mark mostly these 3 accounts will not come. Only realization account they can ask to prepare the realization account in 4 mark, and another topic that pass the journal entries related to the realization or the asset sold. Okay, that journal entry they can ask. Okay, so that question making the realization account. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.